Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 5th, 2022. We are going to talk about RUNE today and see, should we be able to buy this particular cryptocurrency at these prices, or should we buy at a different level? I'm going to talk about that today because I want to make sure that you all stay ahead of the game. I want to make sure that you and I are able to capitalize from these price moves without being confused. So if today is your first time ever seeing my videos and my content, y'all finally appreciate someone out here documenting where they think price is going to go without the confusion, then go ahead and join me. Hit the like button, share the video. Also, come through, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on my price predictions. I'm just going to keep it real. So check this out. You guys can see right here, all the way back on February the 4th was the last video that I've concluded for RUNE. I was telling you all to be prepared for the cryptocurrency to go up in price, and even in that particular time span, it didn't take long for us to see 16.45% out the market. Like literally the next day, RUNE has taken out our ultimate TP price. Now back there on February the 7th, you guys can see that the market topped out around $5.22. So if you was able to eat out the play of that video then congratulations, because you got 25%. Now if you're one of those individuals who like to hold on to cryptocurrency for a long period of time, you guys can see that February 2022 all the way to April the 4th or April the 5th, if you were to get off the market now, look at this, you're up 193% already. Yeah, I want to say congratulations. Like, a couple of months is not a long time. Most people consider long term as being 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and within two to 3 months you already received 193% from what we did back in February. Congratulations. So now that is done, that is over. Let's consider what the market in RUNE is going to do next. Like, if the price is going to continue to be in this upward trend, then we want to be positioned to capitalize from it, right? We want to be in position. So let's go ahead and follow the price. Look at this. The market in RUNE is still in a bullish trend. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? The market actually tells us what the trend is. It actually tells us what the majority of the market participants are feeling and what they are trying to do with their own money. Take a look at that. So we already know, as long as the price in RUNE maintains this trend, guess what? We're going to go up. It's just that simple. So now the question that I want to ask you all is that $13 price, it might be a problem. Look at this. Going all the way back here, look at how much trading history this market in RUNE has traded below $13. We've only seen a couple of days to where the market in RUNE has traded above $13. The majority of the trading, the majority of the business transaction that has occurred in this market for RUNE occurs below $13. So do you think we're about to top out? That's a logical question, because if we're about to top out, then we may not want to come through and buy the market right now in RUNE. We might want to wait until we see this market price break the trend and continue to trend lower in price. What do you all think? Look at this. So this is RUNE right here on the 3-day time frame. We got a day and 15 hours left, and currently I still like it. I mean, it still seems as if the buyers are controlling the environment. They're still looking to increase the price in RUNE, right? But we got a day and 15 hours left, so we really cannot be too reliant upon what we're looking at right now, because it's definitely going to look different in the next day and 15 hours. Because the last two 3-day price bars, let's not get it twisted, those are indications that the selling is still coming through around $13 right here. So that is still acting as a lid. This is where the sellers are standing up, meaning that they're pushing down the value of RUNE right around that price level, $13. So we definitely need to see the market conclude this way on this current 3-day price bar, because if we don't, then yeah, you might want to be prepared to see the price go down in RUNE. I mean, but hey, we saw 193% from February to today's date. So obviously you would expect that, yeah, some people might want to come through and take some profitability out of the market in RUNE, right? You would suspect that. So look at this. This is RUNE on the weekly time frame. And you guys can see it. It's right here. Look at that. We saw the price over the last week close off of the highs. That means that the selling was definitely overpowering the buyers. So we're starting out this current weekly price bar looking good, but we got 5 days though. So we're going to not be reliant upon what's currently going on to the market in RUNE on the weekly time frame. This is it on the monthly. So I want you all to look at this. Would you consider this a very positive month, the month of March? We saw the price in RUNE go from $4, topping out at 13. That's very positive. Like, this one monthly price bar literally has taken out all of these monthly price bars right here in 1 month. So what do you think from a monthly time frame? Because from my perspective, I'm thinking that that's pretty bullish. From my perspective, in the next month, 2 months, we could possibly see the market in RUNE break that $13 to where it won't even be a problem to see the market go up. I'm just showing you the information. Look at this on the 3 months. We might have a lot of room to go higher in RUNE. Just saying. Basically, looking at this from a 3 monthly perspective, these 3 month price bars right here is indicative of selling. Okay. This 3 month price bar that started in April 2021, this 3 months price bar that started in July of 2021, and then this 3 month price bar was started in October of 2021, we should definitely be seeing the price in RUNE go lower, like massively lower, but it's not. Look at the last completed 3-day monthly price bar in January of this year. Price is going up instead. So all of the selling that occurred in RUNE, the last three monthly price bars, had no impact on pushing the price of RUNE lower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the strength into the market in RUNE. Okay. Now, I'm playing it in a sense to, I'm not looking for the price to really hold this long-term trend. Like, this is a very steep slope. And at some point, the market will have to break that. So I'm playing the strength outside of the trend. Like, I'm not really expecting the market in RUNE to hold this trend, but it's a good placeholder for us to see how strong the market really is, right? So whenever RUNE breaks this trend, we understand that the market is not as strong anymore, but I'm still poised to look for this price to go up. Okay. So now I'm going to expect the market price in RUNE to go up in price. I got 2 price targets, right? Seeing that we are nearing the top area of where RUNE has gone, right? I don't think we have too far to run. Okay. So what I'm going to do, in order to eliminate any confusion, I'm going to get rid of these lines here, and I want us to try to picture how high price is going to go. Okay. And this is where I'm looking for the market in RUNE to try to go. Maybe around $13. Okay. That's where that restriction line was. You remember? That's my first price target right there around 13. So that gives us 12%. Okay. 12%. My second area is going to be, like I said, around 14 in RUNE. Now that's how far I'm going to take it right now. As we continue to see the bullishness in RUNE continue, then yeah, we might want to come through and elevate our price target. Like if the strength is continuing to be seen on the chart, then of course we could continue to let the price ride. We don't have to come through and take profitability at $13 or $14. But we're going to continue to look forward to this market in RUNE continue to go up in price. $13 is my first price target. $14 is my second price target. Now, you're part of my team. Drop me your price target, your price prediction in RUNE as we go into the month of May. Okay. Let's follow this into the month of May. And I want you all to tell me, what are you suspecting the price in RUNE to do? Now, definitely keep your eyes open on this downtrend, right? We saw the market in RUNE get rejected, back in November of last year. We might hit that again and price begin to descend and not ascend in price. Just want to put that on your radar. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Hit me up. Tell me what do y'all think the market and RUNE is about to do. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.